Well, you've asked for it, and here it is. Introducing our virtual class, Blossom, a Master Floral Design class. So it's going to cover all the aspects of daily floral design. We have a 9-week program that we've set up. It's going to be starting May 22nd. So it's going to feature a multimedia approach to the floral design study. We're going to be basing it off the book, The Principles of Design, and this book was written by 2 AIFD designers, friends of mine, Pat Skase and Jim Del Prince, and it also has an online component that you'll have assigned learning activities, such as matching games, some vocabulary, and some worksheets. And then that will be followed by a team session, which it's going to be part lecture by myself, and then you'll have an assigned design that you need to create. And we're going to have an interactive design analysis of those designs. It's going to be limited to 10 students per session. The design sessions are going to be recorded, so if you do happen to miss one, you would be able to catch up. You'll get a completion certificate at the end, and this is your opportunity to really elevate your skills and ignite your passion for floral creativity. So I encourage you to join me, Sandy Schroeck, for our Blossom Floral Design Masterclass.